All right, I know we both have a hard stop here in 5 minutes, so I'm going to go through quickly on this one. So it's 1 hour heating and air. So it's an HVAC franchise that has been around since 2003. It's owned by Authority Brands, which is kind of like an umbrella brand that owns, I think they own like 12-ish different franchises now. Pretty big. They're a great network. They have a lot of good franchises. So some benefits there. But 1 hour heating and air is the HVAC franchise. I think they're the largest franchise in the HVAC space in the industry. So they have 385 units throughout the country.
Wow.
Really well established. Yeah. And then 28 corporate owned franchise units, or 28 corporate owned units. So total investment range for this one's between 131 and 274. For an HVAC business, there's a lot of startup and capital expenses, and you have to pay HVAC technician salaries. So I would plan on towards the higher end of that investment, but a really scalable business. So everybody needs HVAC services, especially if you live in a climate that has drastic weather changes like I do, where it's very, very cold in the winter and very, very hot in the summer. Is a wear and tear on your HVAC unit, and it's hard to live without, the proper climate within your home. So, there's a reason that these businesses are in high demand. And when you look at the item 19 for this franchise, you can kind of see how it is scalable. So, like we said in the intro, the top unit's doing 6.13 million in gross sales. The median for the top 25% of performers, the median is 2.66 million, which is pretty solid. The second quartile is 1.5 million. And then even the third quartile is pretty strong, so I believe in this type of model. Again, I've said this before on other brands. You do get some in like the bottom quartile that are, maybe have an HVAC background and are still just kind of doing the actual operations of it, like the actual work in their business. So that's probably why they have some lower performers.
What, like they're actually the tech?
Exactly. They're actually the tech. So that's not what 1 hour heating and air wants. They want business savvy people. They're very clear about that now. And they'll actually be very hands-on hiring those initial techs. They have a whole process. So I've been impressed with this brand. It's not for everybody. You got to be able to really grow and scale a business and manage, a team of HVAC techs, which has its complications.
Yeah, cool. Boom. Is that anything else we need to go through on it?
I don't I don't think so.
Sweet. Cool. Well, Kevin and I both have a hard stop in 2 minutes. So for those of you who want to see if this brand is available in your area or what franchise brands are available in your specific area that you're in, you go to franchise. It's scrolling down there. I also dropped the link in the comments, but you go to franchiseempire.com/check territory. You'll be able to schedule a free call to see what's available in your area. You'll also be able to do that Zoracle assessment for free. If you just want to do that, we do have the ability to you can just take that without any sort of like obligations or anything like that. After you take it, it just sends directly to your email. So we can certainly send you the link for that too, if you want to do that.